Hey, welcome back again, friend. And I'm going to explain you about affiliate marketing blueprint. And what blueprint I am showing with you, I have learned from my mentor, and he's showing $1 million blueprint, and he made $1 million. And that exact blueprint we will going to show you how affiliate marketing business work for a long time business, and how you can stand in the crowd in the marketplace for affiliate marketing business. So let's move on the computer and explain about it. Okay friends, so now we will going to explain about how affiliate marketing business model work, and how I learned from my mentor, and he explaining $1 million blueprint, and I am showing you exact blueprint which I follow and making a lot of affiliate commission. So now you can see this is the affiliate marketing blueprint $1 million model. So you can see this is your traffic, like fast traffic media, and your strategy, your domination traffic, like you can promote your traffic through Facebook ads. So this is all your traffic. So once you got your traffic, after then you can create first lead capture page. It is a lead capture page, like you someone putting email and name, and they will save in your email marketing list. And one thing remember, you can put your retargeting Facebook and Google Pixel on your opt-in page. After then you can retargeting to that order to same audience. And once someone submit their email ID and name, after then you can send to all audience to your pre-frame and bonus page, review bonus page, your thank you page. So where your audience see you and your bonus and your review page, and your audience understand everything what you offer. Like if you're promoting any affiliate offer, so you can provide some like 2 or 5 and 6 bonuses. And if you promoting high ticket offer, you can just this page, hey, thank you for sign up, and click the link below, and go to learn about affiliate marketing. And in the link you just put your affiliate offer link, and this is a product. If your audience putting email address and I'm here, and this is visiting on here, and after then visit this page, this is product, your affiliate product page. And once your audience bought, you will get result. So that is the simple process. And some audience, if one or two percent audience bought is instant your affiliate offer, and mostly other 20 to 60% audience, yeah, 15 to 25% audience bought later once you start follow-up sequence. So mostly people's opt in your page, they will join your email list. After then you can promote same affiliate offer to email number one, email number two, email number three. And the most important thing, you can build your hub, your personal brand, because you can see 15 to 25% conversion depend on your personal brand. What is the personal branding, how you can build personal brand, we will talk you later, because I have been create a full course about personal branding, how you can build your personal brand, and how you can increase your affiliate conversion with personal branding. So that is the most important thing I have said with you. This is a little bit about blueprint. It is whole details when you learn, when you join big affiliate networks. I have sharing with you later. And so I hope you understand about affiliate marketing business blueprint. And it is little bit short video, but it is long video. We will going to learn in later about what is the landscape about affiliate marketing. So thanks for watching, and we will meet you another video. Thank you.